So, and here we go, we got the package, and let's see, so you can see they open for checking, I guess. Anyway, so there should be a coffee machine inside. Let me just open it and see what's happening. I want to show you something about this freaking weird TBA, Amazon's logistic tracking number. What shall we do? There is a big mysteries out there, and I have another video where I explain already that I'm not recommending to use Blue Care Express anymore because eBay is taking down those dropshippers who will gonna use or provide Blue Care there. How to communicate with Amazon and solve your problems pretty much on everything. Okay, so let's go first to see what we can do about Amazon's TBA. Probably, well, if you are using Gmail, so I don't know how about another, but Amazon used to send kind of like email notifications when it's delivered. When I get something like this, I'm not getting those notifications when it's sent by UPS. I'm getting only those notifications when it's delivered, when they send by TBA. When I see on my inbox that it says delivered, okay, I know, oh, come on, again, Amazon's tracking number, okay, what shall we do with this? Not so much you can do at this point, but you can manage to do all sorts of things before or after, okay, so, but this is what I do. I go and let's say, for example, now I just show you how to communicate with Amazon. If you are international, this is the best way for you. Americans, you can call them up if you want. I always use chat. Okay, so because I was gonna ask them to do something with my order, okay, this is the order number. I need to copy this one and just bear with me. I will go to Amazon. When you go to Amazon, just scroll down to the very bottom here. You're gonna see help. Click help. Okay, probably you know already, but if you don't, it's just very easy. Need more help here. Your cursor, let's take over here. And then on this side, there is a contact us. Okay, when you click this contact us, it's we just go here and click this chat button. So this is where you are landing. You are landing on this one here. This is a robot, right? It's a robot. You don't have to go through all those crappy suggestions here. Only one thing you have to type in here, and this is assistants. Okay? When you type their assistants, you will go through this robotic nonsense, okay? And here they give you an option, so you says, yes, okay, get help through chat. This is what you need, okay? Get help through chat. Who is joining me now? Most of the times there is the Indian guys. Hello, Rupak. Hi. Can you help me? Please. Okay, and now we're gonna do all the chatting with the Amazon to ask them what's the heck it has been sent, and this is what I usually do. Okay, so confused about my order. Actually, order, I got a copy already. It says delivered, but I never received. But I never received. The tracking number wasn't trackable. I tried many times. We'll see what the assistant Rupak will show me, back. Usually there is some few more things I will gonna go through, and eventually I will get back my money. They will gonna refund me just because they send this by the TBA. Okay, that's why I'm not gonna show you in the details. More or less, actually, I can get back the money for almost every single TBA item. But that was not the point here. It's just wanted to show you that if you are running in some problems, and sometimes customers are or buyers are tricking you, you can go here, you can use chat, and if you know how to deal with them, in more details I'll explained already in a 799 course how to do. You can see all my chat there, but for now I will just stop and cut video here. Okay, refund issue successfully. Good. Thanks. Thanks. That would be all. That would be all. You see, the name change here because the first guy, he was not able to solve my problem, and I said, can you please transfer to somebody, okay, and blah blah blah. And now the end of the chat, of course, and they transfer me. So as I said already, the details are in a 799 course how to do such a things like this. Obviously I tricked the Amazon in this video, as you can see this, but it's just for the purpose to show you. Did I solve your problem? Yes, you solved my problem, buddy. Appreciate. Whatever, it's just, they need just some feedback, little feedback, because you got your money back. You see, that was on the picture, okay, delivered in June, and a TBA tracking number here. Here was the sender. I was sended to this address by this tracking number, and here was the TBA package, okay. I never received it. I don't know where they put it. This is just, that's how it is. Okay, so by the way, don't use this for the evil purposes. I just show you. That's why I'm telling you, start with Amazon, okay? Because Amazon, as you can see here, they will gonna give the refund if you know how to talk with them. You never ever lose money. Out of 100% you are safe. Okay, so that's just for the purpose how to communicate and how to not lose money on Amazon.